What's up?
Make the JoJo's with a spoon and fork.
Damn.
And rice, because I'm Asian. What are your thoughts on this?
My thoughts on this? Ew. Listen to it. Just look at my whole face.
Hey, stop! Don't drop
Wait, I'm gonna say something.
50 for a new one.
What's the problem? Huh?
Right there.
What's the problem?
It's like delayed. My turn. Here, I got it.
Ah! Poop. Wanna see my poop? You wouldn't get it. It's an inside joke, so this one's not going on YouTube.
Wait, why are you telling me
You
that?
guys are stuck.